Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer, welcoming you to Easy Money Show. In today's very special episode, I want to teach you what is an ideal return on investment and how do you analyze a profit screenshot of any trader. And let me tell you, this video is one of the best learning videos for each one of you who want to make good money in market and who want to understand the right side of trading. And this video is made for a pure learning purpose. And let me tell you, there are so many traders who are far better than me. And this performance, which I just want to show you in today's program, is just to tell you when I can do it, you can also do it. And there are so many traders who are far better and bigger than me, and I'm just here to share the learnings of this particular market move which happened in today and how one has to read the return on investment. So let me share my screen for you and show you this very important learnings. So if you see this on my screen, what is an ideal return on investment and how do we make all this learning? Let me just show this on my screen right now. As you see, now today, if you see this very clearly, there was this trade which I did on Bank Nifty. And if you see the trade, see this at the very bottom of your screen with the date, time, name, everything available. It is not my company account or any account. It's a pure my personal individual account. You can see the name here, Rudramurthy BV. Now, I want you to see this very clearly and make a learning. Let me just share my screen and give you this learning. Now, before this, look at this screen also. Now, on an intraday basis, you're seeing this on your screen. I have done 3 trades today, and you can see the name, account number, and I'm showing you the live screen. I did Sun Pharma, Adani Port, and even Bank Nifty today. You can even see here, this is day wise. That means pure intraday trade. And you see an M2M profit here on your screen, which is 9,57,003, which is there at the bottom of your screen. Now, if you see this very clearly, yeah, 9,57,003, which is the M2M. Now, people are so excited. You will say, fantastic profit. You have made 9,57,003 in just intraday. But now, my big question to you, yes, there's a profit of 9,57,003 intraday. Now you'll be wondering, such a huge gain for just one day. Fabulous, fantastic, Rudra. Now, assume I have used a capital of 10 crores to make this profit of around approximately, let us say 10 lakh. So if I've used a capital of 10 crore to make this profit of 10 lakh, that means my today's return on investment is just 1%. That itself is very big. 1% per day is very big because people are saying 3 to 5% per month is a fantastic return. You're doing 1%, that itself is very big. So if I've made 10 lakh profit out of a capital of 10 crore, then I'm just saying return is not even 1%, it is 0.1%. Now assume the same 10 lakh profit if I've made with a capital of 30 lakh. Now you will say your ROI is around 33%. That means making the 10 lakh profit out of 10 crore capital is not same as making that same 10 lakh profit out of capital of, let us say, 30 lakh or a capital of 20 lakh. So whenever you see any profit screenshot, the first question what you have to ask is, what is the capital the trader has used, so that you can calculate the return on investment. So if I have made a profit of 10 lakh using 1 crore capital, that's a return of 10%. If I have done it using 10 crore capital, that's a return of 1%. If I have done it using 100 crore capital, that's a return of 0.1%. So that means now don't get excited seeing a profit of 9,50,000 plus and intraday. You have to first ask me a question, Rudra, tell me what is a capital used. This is your top 1 learning in terms of return on investment. Now, I want you to understand what is a capital used, and let me just share my screen so that you get the learning. Now, see the screen now. This total profit of 9,57,003, whatever I have done, if you see, I have done Bank Nifty trade today, which has given me profit of 10,52,616. But my other two trades, Adani Port and Sun Pharma, has given me a loss. In fact, out of three trade, two trade has given loss and only one trade has given profit. And I'm losing. Actually, if you see my accuracy, out of three trade, two trade I'm losing. That means my losing trade is 66.67%. Profit trade is only 1/3 or 33.33. That means even with 33% accuracy, I have made a profit of 9,57,000 only because I had a trade where I made more money on my profit, and when I lost very small. So now this video is done only for that learning purpose, to tell you, you have to eat like elephant and you have to shit like hen. But if you do opposite, if you eat like hen and shit like elephant, you might have an accuracy of higher than my accuracy, but you are not making money at the end. So what is important is, as George Soros, one of the world's best traders, say, you have to make more money on your profitable trade and lose less money. This is what is the big secret of learning. And whenever you calculate ROI, and whenever I show you this profit, or anyone says, any trader shows any profit screen, don't get excited seeing this 10 lakh rupee. Ask a simple question first of all. Tell me, for this profit of 10 lakhs or this 9,57,003, what is the capital used? If I don't tell you that, this is a big scam, because I might have used a capital of 100 crore or 10 crore, which you may not have, but you are looking at this profit of 9,57,000 and getting too excited. So whenever you see any profit screenshot, it is a big scam or it is meaningless if you don't know what is a capital used. Now I know you will be asking me the question, Rudra, show us what is the capital used. And I'll be doing that for you. And I want you to see what is the capital used and how was the trade executed. Now see this on your screen, which is coming to you. It was exactly at 1:59:31 second, which you can see on your screen down. Again, name Rudramurthy is there. All the trade, you have even details of my order number, exchange order number, everything on the screen. And it was at 13:59:31. This is the time, that is 1:59:31 second, when I executed this trade. It was Bank Nifty put option, which I bought. 33,600 was the price, and that was the strike price, and price was at 602 when I bought 2,500 quantity. Please understand, you can't buy more than 2,500 quantity of Bank Nifty in a single order. There is a order quantity limit. That means exchange says you cannot buy in one order more than 2,500 quantity. So I bought 2,500 quantity. This is buying of option. At 602 is the price, and it was 33,600 put option, bought at 1 o'clock 59 minute 31 second. Now it was at 602, just within no time, that is just within seconds, around 15-20 seconds later, the price was 612. Again, I bought another 2,500 quantity at 612. This is what we call as pyramiding. I want you to learn this again. That's the reason this video is done. What is this pyramiding? I buy at a higher price, not at a lower price, because my trade is correct. That's the reason market is taking the stock up or the option is going up. So at 612, I bought another 2,500 quantity. See the time, it was 1:59:48 second. Now, if you see both of them put together, okay. So first trade, I bought 2,500 quantity at 602. Second trade, 2,500 at 612. Timing is also given to you. Now, I exited the 2,500 quantity, what I bought here at 602. I sold it at 669. You can see this 669 and see the time. I did it at 2 o'clock 14:01:58. That means 2 o'clock, 1 minute 58 second. If you calculate properly, it is about 2 minutes 30 seconds. I repeat, 2 minutes 30 seconds. In that time, from 602, it went to 669. If you calculate profit, it is 67 rupees for every quantity. That is 602 to 669, 67 rupee profit multiplied by 2500 quantity, 1,67,500. I repeat, 1,67,500 profit in 2 minutes 30 seconds. Now look at this trade. 612 I bought at 612 2500 quantity and I sold it at 693.75. So 612 to 693.75, let's say 693 itself and 612 bought, 81 rupee profit, and on 2500 quantity is 2,02,500. I repeat, 612 bought and sold at 693.75. Look at the time again. This was 159.48 and this was at 2 o'clock 3 minutes. That means maximum it was a 3 minute time. So within 3 minutes, 2,02,500, and first trade, you know, the profit was 1,67,500. Add both, the total trade of this is 3,70,000 profit. Yes, 3,70,000 profit in 3 minutes. And you have to see what is the capital used. So let us say 602 multiply with 2500 quantity, 15 lakh capital, and another trade was at 612 2500 quantity, that's a capital of 15 lakh 30,000. Both put together 30 lakh 35,000 capital used, or about 30 lakhs, or take it 31 lakh. So for a capital of 31 lakh, now you know, I repeat, for a capital of 31 lakh, yes, there is a profit made both put together of around 3,70,000. Now I am using calculator. 3,70,000 divided by, let's say capital used is 30,30,000, and if I calculate ROI, it is 12.2%, approximately. Let us say 12% ROI. Now if you don't know this ROI of 12.2% done in 3 minutes, you will now be wondering, wow, super profit Rudra made. I made a profit of 3,70,000 just in 3 minutes. But you should know what is the capital used so that you can calculate ROI, or else this is just a scam saying that I made this much profit. What is the ROI? Do you think the same profit, if I would have made for a capital of 10 crore and not for just 30 lakh capital, would this have been considered as a great trade? So point number one, learning number one, ROI should always be calculated. Any profit shown, please see what is the total capital used so that you can calculate ROI, or else it is of no use, it is just a scam. Point number two, very, very important. Now listen, someone made a profit of, let us say, 1 lakh rupee for a capital of 1 lakh in 3 minutes. Now you will say 100% ROI, sir, super. Now let me tell you, it is easy to make 1 lakh, 2 lakh, but it is very tough to make, let us say 30 lakhs, 40 lakh. That is because you are handling bigger capital. No doubt, if you make 10 rupees, 20 rupees, it is 100% ROI. But making 10 crore, 20 crore, it is still 100% ROI, but it is not same. Let me give you an example. A company made 100% increase in its sales from last quarter to this quarter. Everyone said super increment from 100% increment in sales from last quarter to this quarter. Statistics is right, but the reality is last quarter company sold 1 typewriter, this quarter company sold 2 typewriter. Is it 100% increase in typewriter sale? Yes, but 1 typewriter to 2 typewriter, even though ROI is 100%, you might call here, or increment is 100%, it is meaningless. But if the same case, if it was last month 1 lakh computer was sold, this month 2 lakh computer is sold, or last quarter 1 lakh computer sold, this quarter 2 lakh computer sold, This is also 100%, but there the number makes sense. So the second most important learning after knowing the ROI, ask the capital used on any profit or else it's just a scam. The second thing is, what is the ROI on what size of capital? Making 100% on a small capital is easy, and is that ROI achieved on a bigger capital, and what is the time frame? Now I am showing you this profit, whatever 12%, that was not on capital of 100 rupee made into 112, which is also 12%. This was on a higher capital base. Now this trade which I did, people have to understand, second most important learning, ROI should always be seen on what capital base it is done. If I had just done one lot of Bank Nifty, and even if I would have done a 12% ROI on one lot of Bank Nifty, it is not same as making it on the quantity of 5,000 what I showed you. Now let me tell you today overall what is the profit I made on pure intraday. Let me just share my screen and then show that also to you. Now if you see, this is again today's trade, and my total M2M, which you can see on your screen here, is 9,57,003. That's what you see on your screen. And see, 3 trades done, but Bank Nifty total profit is 10,62,000 some change. And if you see the other true trades, whatever I have done, it is in loss actually. Now what you have to see from here is, what is the capital used on this 9,57,003 profit done intraday? This is my trading account, and I showed you I did not do this trade just at one shot, and I'm showing you even the quantity which I did here, where I showed you on the screen. And all this, whatever I did, was just with a capital of around 20 to 30 lakh, and I just use margins of my share, keeping aside the margin, leave the margin aside. I even did morning trades, just bought, sold Bank Nifty, and then this trade, whatever I did, what I showed you now, all put together capital used is around 30 to 31 lakh, which you saw on your screen, where I showed you the order quantity, everything. And this total profit, what I did for the day, now tells me a return of around 33% return. How 33%? For a capital of 30 to 31 lakh used, including margin, girgin, everything. If someone uses shares as margin, you should know even what is that margin used. If I'm using, let us say, some bonds, which I have pledged with my broker, and I'm using that as margin, I require those bonds, I require that margin. Without that, I cannot make this return. Now, you all know a profit of around 9,57,000 for pure intraday with a capital of 30 lakh, 30,000 or 31 lakh, and this gives you an ROI of 30% per day. Now, Yuvraj Singh has hit 6 balls, 6 sixers, but can he hit every match he plays? No. Just because in 3 minutes I made a profit of 3,70,000, do you think every 3 minutes you can make like this profit? No. This is just to tell you, if I can do it, you can also do it. And there are many traders who can do far better than me. I am nowhere India's best. I am nowhere world's best. I am nowhere Karnataka best. I am nowhere Bangalore best. I am also nowhere even Malleshwaram best. I can only tell you, I want you guys to be the best. And if I can do it, you can do it. This is the message which I want to give you from today's video. And you people, if you are ready to learn, I'm sure earning comes. You are just one trade away from what you want to achieve. But can you be in the game till then? And this is done purely on option buying. And in my Twitter handle today, I even showed you at that point of time a chart of Bank Nifty. Now, if someone has caught this move of 2 minutes, 3 minutes, a big fall in Bank Nifty, bought put option, but you did only one lot, no doubt your ROI is great. But what is the capital base? So the second most question after knowing the ROI and the capital used is, on what capital base have you done? One typewriter to 2 typewriter is 100%, but that is not significant. Now, I want to tell you, all this profit when people see, it is just to tell you there are many traders better than me, and also to tell you if I can do it, you can do it. Also to tell you, you have to do pyramiding when the stock prices goes up. Also to tell you, always ask for capital used whenever you see the ROI, and then calculate not just the profit screen, because if you have used 10 crore, 50 crore, 100 crore for the same, the ROI might be just minuscule or very small. And if you don't have that capital, what is the use of showing all this? And if you don't have any learning and I'm just showing my profit, I make that profit. What do you make seeing it? Nothing. Just telling wow, 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 wow. But how do you make that same profit? That can only happen through the learning what you have got from this video. Now I've used only market profile and the learnings of market profile to catch that move. But can you be right every time? No. The big learning what I want to get for you guys is always eat like elephant and shit like hen. And I don't want you to do reverse. Many people, many good traders, they eat like hen. That means they make small profits and they cover fast. Whereas when they lose, they shit like elephant. Overall, they lose even with 90% accuracy. So making money is important. End of the day, you can't be right on every trade. But remember, the world's best trader, George Soros, says this: it is not important how many times you are right or wrong. What is important is when you are right, how much more money you made, and when you are wrong, how much less money you lost. That is all what matters. Now, I know after all this, people ask only one question. Fantastic, Rudra. We learned that we should always ask what is the capital used when we see profit statement, because ROI matters a lot. Second thing you also learned, ROI should not be seen just based on percentage. You have to see the ROI on what big capital base it is made, because making 10 rupee, 20 rupee is 100% ROI. Making 10 crore, 20 crore is also 100% ROI, but both are not same. Making 10 rupee, 20 rupee is easy, whereas making 10 crore to 20 crore is tough. All this learning is coming to you in your Easy Money show. And the biggest learning from this, I want you to get is, if I can do it, you can do it. And there are many traders way above me and beyond me. Try to learn from those people. And I want to learn from the best of the best people. And that is how my success comes. And that's how your success too comes. For me, what is more important is to see you people successful, and that can happen through great learning. And I want to also thank each one of you. If you feel the effort put by me in these programs are superb, and if it is adding value to you, right now subscribe for the channel, hit the bell icon so that you get notifications for these beautiful programs, and join hands with me by forwarding this right now in WhatsApp, Telegram, everywhere, to as many people as possible, and spread the right financial literacy. I know the last question people ask, okay, this money you have made, Rudra, what is a charity you are giving? How much are you helping for Corona? You know, you should help for people whether there is Corona or no Corona, because charity is a duty and it is a day-to-day work what people have to do. And being part of this society and being part of this proud country called as India, you have to do charity. And in fact, I'll make a very special video on charity, but charity is not for publicity. It is not like, okay, you make a charity and then you want people to just tell wow, 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 and you get publicity. Rakesh Junjunwala has given 5,000 crore, or he has given 25% of his portfolio, which he'll be doing it in just few months now. And he did not tell this because of Corona. He did it much before. So giving charity should be part of your whole life, and not just because of Corona or I make this profit or all that. I do charity whether I make profit or not. And when you do it from right hand, let your left hand also not know it, but let the message be passed to people that charity is part of your life. Whether there is Corona or no Corona, do it. And let me also tell you, charity is not for publicity. I'm sure this video has given a lot of learning to you people, and I want each one of you to comment below right now in the video on what was your great learning from this video. Share me in detail the great learning of this video. I'm sure no one else can scam you just showing profit statement, because you'll ask what is the capital used, and you'll also see whether was it done for one lot or a small capital big ROI, or you will see was it done big ROI, big profit at what capital. All this learning, and more than anything, if you are understanding how pyramiding was done, eat like elephant, shit like hen, and don't do it other way around. I'm sure you people are also there, just one trade away from you getting your big profit, achieving your financial freedom at the earliest. And for the best comment, I want to give my personal autographed copy of this book, Mind, Market and Money, to the best comment and the learning. I want you to share right now the learning, and I'll just give this hard copy, special author copy of my book, Mind, Market and Money, to the best learning which you would have given below in the feedback. Your time to write it right now starts. And let me just tell you all, thank you so much. So kind of you for being part of this Rudralogy and this Easy Money series of learning. And learn more, earn more, and do join hands with me to spread right financial literacy. And more videos like this will keep coming for you for your better learning. Thank you so much. Take care.